Hey guys, in this video we're going to go around to get the borrow feature on Cash App, all the reasons and solutions. Now first of all, once you launch Cash App and you click on the bank icon, you should see right here a borrow option. Okay, if it is available, you just tap on it and then you can tap on get started and you can see your limit right here. Okay, and then I want you to select the amount you wish to borrow. You can also select a custom amount just by clicking on this. You can tap on next. You input your custom amount, tap on next again. And now here you can go ahead and review your loan details, including the loan amount, the fee, the funding method, and repayment timeline. You can tap here on next again and you can confirm all your details. You can choose your repayment schedule. You can tap on next. You can choose how you want this to be done. You can tap next again and just proceed with entering your details. Make sure your information is correct. Now let's talk about why you might not have the feature, the borrow feature. One is geographic limitations. So this borrow feature is not available in all US states. So keep that in mind. And also you need to meet the eligibility criteria because Cash App uses various factors to determine eligibility. And those factors are, for example, Cash App activity. You need to have regular and consistent use of the app. You need to have direct deposit set up. This is a significant factor to increase your chances. And also having a cash card and using it frequently. You need to have account history and credit worthiness as well. So as you can see right here, we have borrowed $20. One solution, by the way, is if you have an outdated version of the app, go ahead and make sure you update the app. Okay, come here, update to the latest version available in the App Store, and that should give you the borrow option. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.